Hello YouTube, Homestead Handyman here, doing a little work on the RV before we head out on our long trip. I was just checking around and changing a faucet and then in the bathtub, and I noticed something that did not make me happy. Don't mind the mess, a little renovation. So look at this. Let's come around here and look at this. This is the back side of the water heater in the RV. And you got your cold coming in and your hot. Well, I noticed on the ground here, right down there, some brown. You see that brown down there on the ground? That is all copper shavings. Let's see if we can get a close-up view here. As you can see, that right there, where that is worn away, was leaning up against this pipe. Right there is what I'm pointing at, showing you. Let's get a little light on there. There you go. Now you can see that. So that was wearing along as a camper was going down the road. Now this water heater is right under the bed. So even though that is I believe an L copper it's called, which is thicker than your water, it still had rubbed through almost all the way. So I really wanted to show you this, that this is something to check your gas lines, make sure they're not rubbing or touching anywhere if you're buying an older camper, even a new one, because this right here could have been catastrophic. So I'm going to have to replace that line, but this is just a FYI, keep an eye out for this kind of stuff on an older RV. All right, well, this is the Homestead Handyman, and I'm going to get to this repair right now. Okay, what I've done is taken a little cutter, like this right here. I've cut the pipe. And then I put the flare nut, that's that brass piece right down there, slid that over it. And I cut out the bad piece. It's kind of a tight spot to work. And as you can see here, that piece was really bad. I hope you can see that. Just about to come through. So anyway, now what I'm going to do is take the flare tool over here, and I'll fit it on there and flare the opening there, and then I'll do the opposite side, and then I'll take this coupler that will go between it and couple this together. Okay, there is the finished flare on there. Looks good. I've tested to see if the fitting will work. The fitting's going to go on here like this. Fits right on there. Then I'll tighten it up, and I have to do the other side. Okay, so there is the completed project. I just have to leak check it, make sure that we have no leaks with some soap bubbles, and we'll be good to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Homestead Handyman, out.